Hey, this is Mike with J&M Reviews, and today I'll be reviewing the SoundPEATS RunFree Lite2 headphones. So thank you, SoundPEATS, for the review sample. Really appreciate it. So this is what the box looks like on the side and all of that. Put this down. This is what it looks like in the back of the box, and this is the inside. I took out the little stickies over here that were on the side of the headphones. This is what they look like. So you got the headphones here. So they're very thin. This is like a thin plastic, so you can see it's kind of stretchy. So you can see the headphones up close. That's what they look like. So they're noise canceling. They have Bluetooth 5.3, and they're open ear. So they look like that. That's what they look like, and that's what they look like on the back, like so. So yeah, so they're very nice. They're light, very, very, very light, comfortable. It doesn't hurt my ear or anything. So I like that it's kind of like this, so it doesn't, it won't fall off or anything. Sometimes with these type of headphones, you put them on, you go like this, and it just falls off, or you're working out and you kind of bend down or something, and then one falls off your ear, and you're like, oh great, pick it up again. So these are nice that they're just like hooked on your ear, so it won't fall off. So that's great. Also comes with the little charger like so. So of course you would just plug it into your computer or an outlet or anything and just charge it. So that's basically all it comes with, just these two things and the box. So yeah, so thank you so much. Hope the review is helpful and hope you check it out.